Hello, welcome to Marine Gurukul video series. In this video on chart work, we shall try and understand the concept of position lines and various methods which could provide us a position line to be plotted on the chart. Celestial PLs. Celestial observations, when solved, provide a position through which to draw the PL and the direction of the PL. The position through which the PL is drawn depends on the method deployed for solving the celestial observation. The direction of the PL in every case of celestial position line is perpendicular to the azimuth of the celestial body. In case of latitude by meridian altitude, the azimuth can be either north or south. Thus, in case of latitude by meridian altitude, the direction of the PL, which is like any other case perpendicular to azimuth, is specifically east-west. Celestial PLs are represented on chart by single arrows at each of its ends. Now let's look at the various methods of solving the sides, and based on each method, the position through which to draw the PL. In latitude by meridian altitude cases, the position through which to draw the PL is observed latitude and DR longitude. Direction of the PL is perpendicular to azimuth, and in this case specifically east-west. Longitude by chronometer, position through which to draw the PL is DR lat, observed long. Direction of the PL perpendicular to azimuth. X-meridian method, position through which to draw the PL, observed lat, DR long, and direction is perpendicular to azimuth. Polaris or the pole star, observed lat, DR long, perpendicular to azimuth. And lastly, intercept method, we draw it through a point called as ITP, intercept terminus point, and the direction is perpendicular to azimuth. We'll try and understand all this through 2-3 simple examples. DR position 51 degrees 34 minutes north, 008 degrees 02 minutes west. Above DR position used for solving various celestial observations. Based on the results provided, we need to identify the method used for solving the observation and then accordingly draw the PL on the chart. The first case is star X observation gave observed long of 008 degrees 10 minutes west, azimuth 070 degrees true. In such cases where observed longitude is the result, such observations are solved by longitude by chronometer. In long by chron method, the PL is drawn through DR lat and observed long. You can see here, this is the DR lat. This one is the observed long. This one is the DR long. So it is where the DR lat intersects the observed long. Through this point, we draw the PL. Direction of the PL is perpendicular to azimuth. So if azimuth is 070 degrees true, we add 90 to it and subtract 90 to get the direction of PL as 160 degrees to 340 degrees true. And this blue line then with single arrow at each end becomes the PL for star X. Let's look at the next example. Star Y observation gave an intercept of 2 miles towards azimuth 040 degrees true. When intercept is obtained as output of a celestial observation, the observation then has been solved by intercept method. In intercept method, the PL is drawn through ITP. Now in this case, azimuth is 040, intercept is 2 miles towards, DR position is here. So here is what we draw the DR on the chart. Then we draw the azimuth of the body, which in this case is 040 degrees true. Now intercept is 2 miles towards. Towards means from DR towards the body. So from DR we mark off at point 2 miles away on the azimuth line, and this is the ITP. This point is the ITP. Through this point we draw a PL perpendicular to azimuth. So azimuth was 040, so PL direction becomes 130 to 310, and this segment represented by the black line here, this represents the intercept towards of 2 miles. Now let's have a look at the last example. Star Z observation gave an intercept of 3 miles away, azimuth 130 degrees true. To plot the PL for star Z, which has been solved by obviously intercept method because we have 3 miles away intercept given in the information out here. We first draw the DR. Why? Because we have to identify the ITP. Having drawn the DR here, we then draw the azimuth, which is 130 degrees true. The intercept in this case is 3 miles away. That means from DR, it is in the opposite direction to the azimuth. So we extend this azimuth in the reverse direction through the DR, and on this line 3 miles away from here, this point is the ITP. So where you see the highlighted highlighter cursor, this is the ITP. Through this point we draw PL perpendicular to azimuth, and azimuth is 130 degrees true. So minus 90 plus 90 gives us the PL direction of 040 degrees to 220, which is drawn through ITP, being a celestial PL represented by single arrow at each end. So this segment with broken black line drawn out here represents away intercept of 3 miles. So what is important for us to remember is to be able to plot the celestial PLs on the chart. Number one, we'll have to first determine which method has been deployed to solve the site. Having identified the method, then we'll have to recall the table that we just discussed, from where we'll have to recall the position through which to draw the PL for that particular method. That position through which PL has to be drawn needs to be identified on the chart. Once we have got that point on the chart, then the PL will be drawn through that point, and the direction of the PL shall be perpendicular to azimuth. So that is the process that shall apply to all celestial position lines. Thank you very much for watching this video. Hope it has been of some value to you. If you have any feedback or you need further support, please reach us on marinegurukul@gmail.com. Thank you very much for watching Marine Gurukul video series, and have a nice day. Thank you.